Ear cleaning is an important feature of dog grooming that should not be neglected. Cleaning your dog's ears regularly can help to remove any dirt, wax buildup, and moisture that's left after a bath or swimming. It can keep your dog healthy and happy. You can keep your dog's ear clean by using some simple methods and tips. Apple cider vinegar is effective to clean dog's ear, and it can help to kill yeast or bacteria. Take a cup, pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of nettle tea, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Castile soap in it. Then put 1 tablespoon of this solution into a syringe. Lift up the left ear flap and fill up the ear canal with this solution. Then rub the dog's ear with your fingers. And with the help of cotton, wipe out all the surface of ear gently. You will get clean dog ear by using this method. Take a Q-tip and just straight down in the ear of your dog. Then pour some ear cleaner in dog's ear and massage the ear in a gentle circular motion. It will help the cleaner in catching the debris. Take a piece of cotton and clean the debris that you see in there. By using this method, you can easily clean your dog's ear. You can also use ear cleaners to clean your dog's ear. Because these are formulated to deodorize and clean ears, it can be used routinely or after swimming. Zymox Otic enzymatic solution helps to manage the symptoms of fungus and yeast infections without using harsh chemical ingredients. Apply liberally in dirty ear to fill canal. Then gently massage to the infected area. By using this solution, you can clean your cat and dog ear. It will also provide to relieve irritated or infected ears. EcoEars Dog Ear Cleaner helps to wash away common ear problems caused by built-up wax, dirt and grime, and leaves the ears fresh and clean. Lay your dog on their side, then extend the cap on your EcoEars bottle and slowly pour the solution into his ear canal. Massage the affected area gently. You can use it 2 to 3 times in a week. By using given methods and products, you can easily clean your dog's ear. But for chronic inflammation, more frequent cleanings may be necessary, and you should consult with your veterinarian.